Y'all see this? Let me just say, if you are looking for a curly wig, this the one, okay? Getting right into it, this wig was sent from UNice Hair. Like always, if you are interested, check my description box down below because there will be links as well as coupon codes and all that greatness. So this is the packaging, and here we have a 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. This is in 24 inches. Now moving on to the cap construction, the knots are not bleached, but the hairline is pre-plucked and the lace is already cut for you. And this wig comes with a upgraded cap, so that grippy material is throughout the cap to give you a more snug and secure fit. Now the elastic band is not removable, but it is adjustable, and it also comes with one comb. Y'all see those curls at the bottom? It's really nice. And here we have the lace just melting right into my skin, which I can appreciate. It really looks good. Right here, I am adjusting the drawstring just because I want to wear this wig glueless. Adjusting this drawstring is going to give you a nice, tight, secure fit, especially if you have a smaller size head like me. The fit is great. As you can see, you are able to wear this wig glueless. This is what it looks like after I did both sides. I feel like, is this still wet? I might have to go in and diffuse this a little bit more. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so right here I did not show the product that I was using, but I'm using Eco Style gel just because I want to wear this wig glueless, so I don't want to tack the lace down in any kind of way, but I still want my lace to melt and my edges to look laid. So I did go in with some Eco Styler gel, and I'm just molding the hair how I want it to be. Then what am I talking about? I'm going to put my elastic band on, and I'm going to let that sit for a couple minutes. And when I tell you the hairline is going to look so good when it's dry, you'll see. So here we are once I have refreshed the curls, and I have to say, definitely one of my favorites. It's so big and full. I freaking love this wig. Get into it. Get into it. And I'm sure she can get much bigger than what she already is, but this is enough for me. Like, if you're looking for a curly wig, definitely check this one out. Links will be in my description box. She is pretty. So I'm thinking about either a side part or pulling her up just to see what it looks like. But this is just, you know, a classic middle part, which I can appreciate. Super cute, super full. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And bam, this is what it looks like flipped over to the side, and I think I like it better like this. And stay tuned because I have this wig in another color, and I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like. I think I'm gonna wear that one for Thanksgiving. Yeah, this is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in my next video.